Za manokana resy lahatra hoe rehefa tena te hahita pirenena anankiray indrindra moa fa rehefa tena hoe te hifanerasera amin'ilay olona tompon-teny dia tena zava-dehibe loatra ny fahaizana kolotsain'ireny olona ireny. Fomba iray tsapako hoe tena mahomby amin'ny fianarana kolotsaina anankiray dia tena ny fitakosonana miaraka amin'ireny olona ireny avy hatrany, ohatra hoe mandeha makany amin'ilay toerana, mipetraka any amin'ilay toerana mihitsy mandritra ny fotoana lava be na mandritra ny fotoana fohifohy ihany, fa izany hoe miaraka amin'ilay olona, manao ny zavatra ataony, miaino azy miresaka, mihinana sakafo hohaniny, miaino iray nony sy ny sisa sy ny sisa. Rehefa tena maka fotoana ianao ahafantarana bebe kokoa momba ny kolotsain'iny olona iny dia lasa mihamora kokoa aminao ny mifandray am-po amin'ilay olona, lasa mora kokoa aminao ihany koa no mipetraka amin'ny toerana misy azy. Izay indrindra no antony itondrako antsika any amin'ny toerana anankiray io amin'ny alalan'ity horonan-tsary ity dia androany dia atombotsika amin'ny kolotsain'izareo any Hawaï any Etazonia. Isorako manokana no vahentsika androany ka maka protsaka sitrapo Amerikana teto Madagasikara atao amin'ny Peace Corps izy no hitondra antsika any amin'ny tanindrazany any Amerika any Hawaï androany. Alohan'ny andehanantsika any Hawaï dia te hitodika aminareo izay androany vao nahita ny horonan-tsariko. Isan-kerinandro ny fotoanantsika eto entina hifampizarana izay kely haintsika amin'ny teny anglisy atao anatin'ny fandaharana hoe mianatra anglisy. Dia manasa-pitiavana be anareo anaraka ny chaîne YouTube-ako na ty page Voice for Change ao amin'ny Facebook ty satria eto no defasantsika an'izany isan-kerinandro. Azadino miteny namana sy tapaka sao dia ny fiarahantsika isan-kerinandro eto no anampy azy hivoatra ny teny anglisy. Izarantsika ny sofisika amin'ny fiainona teny anglisy avy hatrany dia manomboka izao dia teny anglisy amin'izay miaraka amin'ny Kamaka. Hi Kamaka! We're so excited to have you today on our show.
Salam Andao. Hi Gael, thanks for having me on. I'm really excited for this episode and for people to learn about my hometown.
All right, so tell us, where are you right now?
So right now I'm in Hilo, Hawaii, my hometown, my tanindrazana Woloani. Most people pronounce it Hawaii or Hawaii, but in Hawaiian language it's pronounced Hawaii. So Hawaii is part of the United States. It's actually the 50th state and there's 8 different islands in Hawaii.
There's so much to learn about your culture in Hawaii, in Hawaii. Am I pronouncing it well? I'm not sure. Anyway, as you know, we watch a lot of movies back home and we kind of see the US through the movies, and now is the time for us to learn what's real and what's not. I was actually thinking a lot about this thing. I have no idea what it's called, but I see a lot of people wear it in the movies, you know. Is this the sort of outfit that you guys wear every day?
So what you see in the American movies isn't always correctly true. In Hawaii, we have these things called lei, which signifies a big event. You know, we give them at graduations, parties, things like that. And it's a sign of love and a sign of friendship, companionship. But this, what you see in the movie, isn't a real traditional Hawaiian lei. This is just touristy. Real Hawaiian leis are made with stuff like this, like tea leaf or other native Hawaiian plants. And that's what we usually give to people. Same with the skirts that you see. A lot of it is made with this, and then they put it together on a string and they put it around their waist. And you see that with hula dancers. Hula is the type of dance you see. The men wear these malos, which is a loincloth that just covers the front part of their body and the back. Sometimes it has a flap, sometimes it doesn't, so you can just see their butt. The coconut shells that you see, that is not traditionally Hawaiian. That's just what you see in the movies.
That's actually great to know. Now I want to go back to movies again. You know, in movies, they play music. What does your music sound like?
So the music scene in Hawaii is very chill, very island type. Not so much upbeat and dancey like the Malagasy music on the coast. It's more mellow, kind of more like a reggae vibe. Maybe I'll send Gael a song and you guys can listen to it. But the Hawaiian music is pretty chill and I really like it. But you turn it on when you go to the beach, when you're just hanging out with friends, and it's just good to kind of just like sway and vibe to the music. So this is called an ukulele. It's not a small guitar. It's called an ukulele, which is traditionally a Hawaiian instrument brought to Hawaii by the Portuguese. This brand is called Kamaka Ukulele. It's not named after me. I'm not named after it, but this is just a brand of the ukulele. And a lot of times you see people playing this at graduation parties, any kind of parties, music festivals. This is a very popular instrument in Hawaii, which I'm sure you've seen before. I'm not super mahai at playing it. I know a few things, but I would like to learn more in the future.
One of the things I'm looking forward to doing when I'm in Hawaii is obviously going to the beach. Is there any chance you're taking us there today?
So right now I'm not on the coast of Hawaii. I'm about maybe 20 minutes from the beach. It's a pretty chilly day. You see, there's not too much sun, but usually when we go to the beach, we wear surf shorts. Women wear bikinis. You sometimes see people wrapped in almost like a lambawani. Seeing people wear lambawanis in Madagascar really reminds me of being here in Hawaii on the beach.
By the way, I remember you once told me that you grew up speaking both English and Hawaiian. Could you tell us how you learned it?
I grew up speaking Hawaiian because my dad taught me since I was a little kid, and my siblings also speak Hawaiian. And I went to a Hawaiian immersion school, which means that everything we did was in the Hawaiian language. Math, science, even gym, everything was in Hawaiian. So I'm really lucky that I speak Hawaiian, and it's really cool to see the similarities between both languages, Hawaiian and Malagasy.
Do you want to share with us like a few words or a few expressions that we should know? Or even small words, that would be great. To be honest, we just want to be able to start a conversation if one day we end up in Hawaii.
So my little brother's here with me to answer this question. Hawaiian is actually the official language of Hawaii, but most people speak English. A very few amount of people speak Hawaiian, and we happen to speak Hawaiian. And what's really interesting is that the Malagasy language and the Hawaiian language is in the same family, the Austronesian family. So you have a lot of similar words. Some phrases that you'd probably need to know when you go to Hawaii is aloha, which means
hello,
mahalo,
thank you,
ahui ho,
goodbye.
or see you later. It's like mandra piona. Pehea oi,
Oh yeah.
how are you? And the response,
Mai kai.
mai kai, or mai kai au, which means good. Mai kai is good, like tsara, and mai kai au means I'm good. So if you listen to au, it kind of sounds like ahu, which means me. For example, I would say luhi au, which means rera ka ahu, I'm tired. And you already hear the similarities, even in a lot of the words. What is this in Hawaiian, Ku?
Vaha.
Does that sound familiar? In Malagasy, it's vava. Or what about outside, the sky? Lani. In Malagasy, it's lanitra. Rua.
Helua 2.
Yeah. Valu.
Evalu.
Evalu. 8. So yeah, it's pretty crazy to see the similarities. But that's about it for the Hawaiian language. And if you ever come to Hawaii, make sure you remember those keywords that I taught you. Aloha, which means hello. Ahui ho, which means see you later. Mahalo, which means thank you. Pehea oi, which means how are you? And mai kai, which means good.
Mahakasitraka be dehibe ihany ka makany tondrantsika tany amin'ny toerana izay nahalehibe azy ary nizara tamintsika ny kolotsainy ampahan'ny kolotsainy moa zany ny marimarina kokoa any amin'ny toerana anankiray io dia teto-kena amin'ny kamakatsika sao dia misy hafatra farany.
Veloma Gael de mirarisoa ho an'ny malagasy rehetra mijery an'ity video ity. Hahay, teny anglisy. Malahelo anareo sa.
Betsaka ny mbola azontsika zaraina fa ny fotoanantsika voafetra dia aloha ajanontsika eo ny androany amin'ny herinandro indray ny fotoanantsika eto amin'ny mianatra anglisy amin'ny aloha hevitra hafa kely satria dia momba ny fifankatiavana, momba ny fampiarahana, mampiaraka, momba ny fikaotiana, zavatra manodidididinareo no resantsika amin'ny herinandro iarahana amina mpivady Amerikana sy hitanareo. Ampitiavana be foana reto bye bye!